Hello, this is lesson 2-8, making sense of addition and subtraction equations. An equation is a number sentence that uses an equal sign to show that the value to its left is the same as its value to the right. We talked about how equation, that word is related to the word equal. It even sounds a little bit like equal. Today you will learn to think of an equal sign as a balance between the two sides of an equation. What does the word balance mean to you, and what are some situations where you may hear the word balance? Here's an example of some that I thought. I thought about a girl on a balance beam in gymnastics. I thought about balance in art, where both sides are the same. And I thought about a stack of rocks carefully balanced, one on top of another. If the pans are balanced, what do you think is true about both sides of the equation? We talked about what this balance is and how it's used, and how if the pans are the same height, both sides of the balance are equal. Is this balance the same on both sides? We talked about it and decided yes, it is. They're both equal to 4. Is this balance the same on both sides? This is something students haven't seen a lot of, with pluses and minuses on both sides of the equal sign, but yes, these are both equal. Is this balance the same on both sides? 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So yes, this one's balanced too. What other numbers could you write to make this balance the same on both sides? Pause the video right now to think about some on your own. What other numbers could you write to make this balance the same on both sides? 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, so show me some other number sentences you could write that equal 5. What other numbers could you write to make this the same on both sides? Sometimes we use the letter N to stand for a mystery number. N is short for the word number. What does N stand for here? Something minus 2 equals 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Let's practice with a few more of N. N plus 1 equals 3. What does N stand for? Here N stands for 2. N plus 6 equals 7. This is getting trickier, but you could also add 6 plus 7 to get your answer. Are these two sides equal? Is 14 equal to 8 plus 8? No, they're not equal. That's a symbol that means not equal. What does N equal here? 9 plus something equals 11. What would you have to add to 9 to make it 11? You'd have to add 2 to make it 11. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. What does N equal here? 8 equals 12 minus N. What would you have to add to 8 to make it 12? 4 in this case is what N equals. What does N equal here? N equals 7 here. How about this one? N minus 3 equals 6. You could solve this by adding 3 plus 6. Here's a tricky one. 5 plus something equals 5. My students got this pretty quick today. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Here Here's a cute little panda seeing if he understands. He says, I get it. In this equation, n equals 12, right? Some kids thought he was right at first, but we figured it out pretty quickly. He's not right. In this equation, n equals 6, because 9 equals 6 plus 3. Oops, says the panda. Oops, I guess I added 9 and 3. Now I understand I could do 9 minus 3 to find the answer. Here's some word problems. Nate has 10 river stones. Chen has 26 river stones. How many more stones does Chen have than Nate? He has 16 more. Tanya collected 8 fewer leaves than Gwen. Tanya collected 12 leaves. How many leaves did Gwen collect? N minus 8 equals 12. You could add 8 plus 12 to get your answer. It's 20. That was it for today.